Best ways to budget your money. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Having a budget helps you see where your money is going. You can put aside money for bills and expenses and set up a plan to reach your financial goals. Follow these steps to get started. Use how often you get paid as the time frame for your budget. For example, if you get paid weekly, set up a weekly budget. 1. Record your income. Record how much money is coming in and when. If you don't have a regular amount of income, work out an average amount. Make a list of all the money coming in, including how much, where from, how often, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, or yearly. This money could be from your wages, pension, government benefit or payment, or income from investments. 2. Add up your expenses. Regular expenses are your needs, the essential items you need to pay for to live. These include fixed expenses, for example, rent or mortgage payments, electricity, gas, and phone bills, council rates, household expenses like food and groceries, medical costs and insurance, transport costs like car registration or public transport, family costs like baby products, child care, school fees, and sporting activities. To make sure you've recorded all your expenses, look at your bills or bank statements. Include what the expense is for, how much, and when you pay it. If you track your spending, use your list of transactions. 3. Set your spending limit. The money you have left after expenses are your spending and saving money. Your spending money is for wants, such as entertainment, eating out, and hobbies. Make a plan for what you want to do with your spending money. This will help you to see where it goes and keep within your spending limit. 4. Set your savings goal. If you have a savings goal, you can use your budget to work towards it. Once you know how much money you have for wants, you can work out how much of it you'd like to save. Having some savings can create a safety net for unexpected expenses. Even a small amount set aside regularly will make a difference. 5. Adjust your budget. Your budget needs to work for you and your lifestyle, so it's important to adjust your budget as things change. For example, if your expenses start to increase, you may need to reduce your spending or change your savings goal. Or you might be able to save more if you get a pay rise or you pay off some debt. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.